Hi guys, it's Ray. I just want to come in today and unbox a package of new products. Htvront is doing a big promotion right now that is every day is Halloween. So they sent me some products to test and I'm going to do the unboxings here in this video and go over some of their products, and then the next video I will use some of those products, and then after that, there's actually going to be a giveaway coming for US residents only, but the theme of this giveaway is, like I said, every day is Halloween. This is the first round of products. There are 3 more coming, so those will be at the end of the video. So let's just jump right into this and see what they sent, because it's a mix of products. Some things I've had, some things are new. So this is heat transfer vinyl. This is definitely new packaging. Look how sharp this packaging looks. Okay. So because this was promotional, they actually blocked out the barcode on it. So this is the black HTV. And this is a pretty good size roll. And there's some paperwork in here. Heat transfer vinyl instructions, which is nice because if you don't know the settings, it's always good to have that. So, black HTV. And you've seen me use their HTV in the past. I think it works fantastic. Absolutely love it. This is the adhesive vinyl. Also in black. Makes sense, Halloween colors. And instructions again, probably cut settings. So a big size roll of black. I'm not going to worry about putting that back in. This is a shorter tube. This one says heat transfer vinyl and something. I keep forgetting that they have the barcodes on the outside of the packages, but sometimes I just like to open it and be surprised. So this one is heat transfer vinyl. Okay, this is funny because this is the white glitter for sublimation, and I'm actually wearing the shirt I did the first time they sent me this. And I've been wearing this shirt weekly since I pressed it, and it actually is holding up really well. So, but that's what this is. This is, you press this first. That's where the white background comes in on this shirt. And then you sublimate right on top of the vinyl. So, that's handy. I did enjoy that. And this is going to be another adhesive vinyl. And this is the purple. Again, Halloween colors. Classic Halloween colors. So, I'm kind of sort these as I put them on the table back here. More vinyl. Adhesive vinyl in orange. Definitely Halloween. So this is the orange. Adhesive vinyl again in white. So what else is in here? I could read the label, but let's just be surprised. Acrylic paint. It says maker. I wonder if that's supposed to say marker. Oh, yes. Okay. So these are acrylic paint markers. If you order any of their big bundles, this is typically the color palette you're going to see. Like a rosy bib almost. But it looks like a brown, which I just dropped back into the box. A brown, an orange, a pink, a silvery gray, green, gold, purple, yellow, black, blue, white, and red. So I will definitely be curious how these work. I'm not sure what I'll use them on, but I do like that they appear to be clear and you can see like how much paint is actually in them. Directions on the back on how to get them started. So that's kind of nice. Definitely a different product. We've never had these from them before. Okay, this one's super heavy, whatever it is. And this will be the last one from this package, so I will finish this video up when the second package comes in. So a 24-piece acrylic paint set. That's kind of nice to have. Let's see. A couple of brushes, you know, a little painter's palette. Wow. These look really nice and vibrant. I don't even know how to start to show you all of these, so I'm just going to pick them up like 4 at a time. 3 shades of yellows, a titanium white, lemon yellow, light yellow, yellow ochre, orange, yellow, and scarlet, crimson, and rose red. This rose red is gorgeous. Yellow green and grass green. Okay, so there's 2 grass greens in my set. Bluish green, which is a really pretty color. Sky blue and acid blue. Cobalt blue and ultramarine blue. Prussian blue and violet. Raw sienna. And this one doesn't have a label, so I'm going to go with, I don't know, it's almost a salmon-y color. That's so funny. Burnt sienna and burnt umber. And then a gray and black. So, yeah. Quite the variety in here. I absolutely love this. I know this whole thing is supposed to be geared around Halloween projects, but I'm definitely curious how these are going to work on a tumbler, and I really want to use that and some of these blues. But yeah, acrylic paint set, definitely handy to have. I suspect the duplicate color was a boo-boo. It happens. But what are you going to do? 3-piece paintbrush set. So, yeah. There we go. So that is everything from this set. I do believe there is at least 2 more colors of the heat transfer vinyl coming, and at least 1 other item in the next package. So I will be back when that product arrives. Okay, so the rest of my package has arrived. So they have some great deals going on their website for Halloween products, up to 80% off, like buy one get one bundle, and all kinds of deals. They've also given me a promotional code for the auto press, which you've seen me use many times now. Probably not going to use the big auto press for any projects for this promotion. I'm just going to use my hand press because I'm only working on small products. So, but I will use that Htvront press for that. So let's see what's in this package. There's just 3 items left to go. A big package of 150 sheets of the sublimation paper. You saw me test this out a while ago and I absolutely loved it. It felt like it was a little thinner and easier to wrap, and the color transferred beautifully. So we're actually going to put this aside because I do have another product coming soon where we're going to put this to great use. So this I'm not going to be using further for this promotion. That much I do know. And these are the last 2. So obviously vinyl, you can tell by the packaging. Let's see what we got. But I will put all of the links for the promotions down below. We're definitely gearing up for fall and spooky season. The sun just came out really bright behind my camera. Let's see if we can offset some of that. So this is another heat transfer vinyl. And this one is orange. This is a really pretty orange. Hopefully you can see that. So that one is orange. And let's get into this last one, because I can't remember what's, I won't say missing, but this is another heat transfer vinyl. And this one is just white. So the sublimation paper, the acrylic paint markers, and I do believe there was an orange in here. Yes, so we're definitely going to be testing out the orange marker, maybe the green, or even this brownish color. I'd have to see what this looks like out of the 2. But we're going to use these on a project. And I'm going to use something out of this box of acrylic paints on a project. I'll figure out what color though. I'm not going to do the projects in this video because this video is going to be plenty long enough. But this was the glitter HTV. That we're also not going to use right now. But I did pick up this blank sign to use with the adhesive vinyl and the paints. And I do have product coming, I believe today, actually, to use with the heat transfer vinyl. I'm trying to sort these out so we can see which colors are which. So in the heat transfer vinyl, I guess we got 3 colors. So let's see, refresher time. The black, the orange, and the white is what these were. So we'll be using those 3 on one project. And then we have the adhesive vinyls, which were purple, which I'm probably not going to use the purple in this next part of this video series. So we'll probably just use the white, the black, and the orange. So that was everything they sent to me. The next video, which should be out on the 28th, I believe, will be putting some of these products to use. And the sale is going to run to, I believe, September 11th, with all of the discount codes and everything functioning till then. And then after that, starting September 5th, there will be a giveaway video up. So when I put the product video up, we'll talk more about timing on that. That unfortunately will only be open to US residents, so keep in your head that there is a giveaway video coming up shortly. And I'm going to leave this video here. This was just the product unboxing. Next time you see the Htvront video, it will be putting the products to use for garden decor. So stay tuned for that and keep watching. And thank you. I will see you next time.